Let's take a look at EnterpriseLibre, a complete open source virtual organization available over the internet from any computer on real virtual desktops. For example, here's a Windows 10 computer. Simply double-click an icon and a real computer desktop opens, containing a complete multi-user organization loaded with the very best open source apps. It's not running on this computer, it's running on a server, wherever I want my organization installed, maybe in my main office, maybe in one of the many cloud services. But the internet is so fast now, it acts like it was installed locally. This could be an old or new Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. It's just an access device. Nothing I do inside my virtual desktop and virtual organization gets mixed up with this local machine. This is actually the super user desktop for the organization, able to control email, applications, users, and other elements from the simple central manager. The first thing you usually do is connect your virtual organization to your domain name and existing email server. You don't have to give up anything you have now. EnterpriseLibre adds, never takes away. It simply provides more capability than you had before. Next, I'll add a couple of my users. First John, then Jane. This creates virtual desktops for them within the organization where they can work with all the applications and each other on any computer from anywhere without mixing any of their work with their local computers. John might log in from Windows, Jane from a Mac. For this video, let's log them both on from this Windows computer. Here's John's desktop. Here's Jane's. Notice how their existing email is synced into their virtual desktop automatically on first login. John and Jane can work in their documents, send email, collaborate with the rich set of applications built into their virtual organization from their virtual desktops wherever they are. Right now, each EnterpriseLibre organization includes the 28 leading best open source apps. Any other open source app can be added easily. It includes the best internet apps. Of course, the world's standard open source Office suite LibreOffice, read and write interoperable with Microsoft Office. The best collaboration apps. The best enterprise management apps. The best financial apps. The best graphics apps. The best project management apps. The best visualization apps, and leading apps for education, manufacturing, and nonprofit, and all the usual accessories and games. And here you can see one of the biggest advantage EnterpriseLibre provides, pre-integration and packaging, so each organization is usable without any technical assistance at all. When you open any of the multi-user apps dedicated just to your organization, each user is already automatically logged in, using what's called Secure Single Sign-On. No more multiple passwords. A new user might be added to your organization at noon and can be up and running and productive immediately on first login. For example, when John accesses the dedicated wiki, he's already logged in. When he updates a page, the information is available to others in the organization immediately. And the same applies to all the multi-user apps. There are a lot more bells and whistles, learnings from several years' use by our customers. For example, you can switch any external email over to your completely private internal email server and name server. You can make any of your web apps accessible outside the virtual desktops, from any browser, on any device. Any changes you make from the web, of course, are reflected in the apps inside your virtual desktops. EnterpriseLibre really is a complete IT system with all the capabilities of a premium solution, better than most IT systems on site. That's how easy it is to add a virtual organization to your team. You can create a brand new organization for a team distributed anywhere around the world in just minutes. You can even add several virtual organizations to the same domain name for different projects. Nothing else is as easy, secure, and powerful available today. The best of open source, software that will last forever, finally made easy for everyone.